We're going to set up Google BigQuery as a data source for Zing. To do that, we first log into the Zing dashboard. Once we enter our credentials, we're going to go to the Data Sources tab and tap New Data Source. From there, we select Google BigQuery. We'll enter our project ID, our dataset ID, and the JSON file that we find under the Service Accounts tab of our Google Cloud Platform dashboard. If we don't already have a JSON file, we'll be able to get one from the Google Cloud dashboard under the Service Accounts tab. We drop that in here and then tap Check Connection. Zing will establish a connection with Google BigQuery to ensure that your credentials are correct. From there, you'll see all the tables that are part of your dataset. If you'd like, you could include only certain tables. In this case, we'll include them all. And then you save your data source. Now, let's go over to the Zing mobile app, since our data source has been successfully set up. We log in using the same credentials. If we don't already have the Zing app installed, we can find it in the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, or linked from getzingdata.com. We see the tables from our BigQuery source, and now we're going to look at the count of trip IDs by subscriber. So we count the subscribers grouped by the type of subscription they have, and we're able to visualize this in different ways. So we can see which subscriptions have the most subscribers. We can visualize that as a bar chart, as a donut chart, or with a number of other visualization options. In this case, since there's a lot of subscriptions, we're going to go look at a data table and tap the column headers to sort by how many people are part of each subscription type. We can see there's the greatest number of folks who just walk up to rent a bike in this circumstance. Now, this is an interesting finding, so we want to share this with a colleague. And we tap the share button at the top and our colleague's email address, and then the little blue arrow to share it with our colleague. If we'd like, we could also export this data table as a CSV file, maybe for further analysis or to send a colleague in Slack. This should give you a sense of how to use Zing with Google BigQuery. If you have any questions, just email us, support@getzingdata.com.